Hey folks, this is Eric with Green Mountain Grills. In this segment, we're going to talk about replacing your low pellet alarm. This is the updated low pellet alarm. Some of our older ones have either an orange or a blue cap. Some of them even have a speaker about partway down. But what we've done is we've built the beeper into the sensor part. This makes it easier to replace the sensor and a lot less hassle for you. First thing you want to do is unplug your grill. Next, you're going to need either a 7mm wrench or socket driver here. You're going to want to remove the control panel. Okay, you can just leave that hanging forward. That gets it out of the way, and you're able to access the back of the low pellet sensor through this opening here. Make sure you take out enough pellets to where you can see the low pellet sensor. There is a plastic nut on the inside here. You're just going to remove that. That old sensor is going to pull right out, and you'll just unplug it right from the board there. Just pop it right off. It's as simple as that. The new sensor goes in the same way. You'll want the new sensor to protrude about 1/4 inch into the hopper box. Make sure to tighten those plastic nuts. Plug in the new sensor. Reinsert the bolts and you're ready to go. Next thing we want to do is test that. Just by plugging the grill back in. If the alarm is sounding, you know you're good to go. You can put your finger over the end to test it. You got a working low pellet sensor.